Hello guys! Today I will show you a new pattern how to make this beautiful zigzag pattern on the pumpkin. So we have oatmeal, orange and mustard colors. This pattern is very simple, and I will also show you how to make a stem. Let's get started. So here is our mustard color. Let's find the end and place the yarn in front of you and make this first stitch. Now we will be making a chain of 16 stitches, guys. So insert your finger, grab working yarn, pull it out. Continue until you have 16 stitches. And now place it in a circle like that and insert the tail and that previous from the last stitch. Now find the middle part of the stitch and start pulling out your first row like this. So see, I'm using the middle part. Next row, twist the first stitch to the right and then purl 2 stitches. Twist the next one to the right again and knit it, and then purl 2 stitches. Again, twist the next stitch to the right and purl 2 stitches. This is our pattern for this row. You twisting one to the right and you purling 2 stitches until you reach the end of the row. Then attach the marker and now twist the stitch to the left and then purl 2 stitches. Next stitch that was twisted to the right, purl to the twist to the left and purl 2 stitches. Next stitch, twist to the left, purl 2 stitches. This is how our second row needs to be done. Next row, move your marker, and now we will be twisting to the right again and then purling 2. Fold it together like that. It will be easier to knit this way. Purl the second and now twist to the right. Purl 2 stitches. So first row was twisted to the right, then second row twisting to the left, and now we are in now next row, and now we're twisting to the left again. So this is very important, guys. We are making a twisted stitch, and for this reason one row needs to be twisted to the left and next one, and our marker show which is the next one, is to the right. This way you will have this beautiful twisted pattern. It will be like a ridge on the pumpkin. Here you are. See, we have this beautiful twisted pattern, and we will keep knitting this pattern for 12 rows, guys. Okay, after 12 rows, now I'm showing you, we will be knitting 1 row of all knit stitches, simple knitting stitch. See where it was twisted or purled, I'm simply knitting 1 row of knitting stitches. That will be the top of the pumpkin and it will look beautiful this way. So finish this row. Here is the marker. So last stitch over here, the knitted one, and here too. And now we have the whole row of knitted stitches. Now we can cut the yarn and we can burn the end to prevent unraveling, and we can now connect the top. insert the yarn from inside out in all of those knitting stitches we just made. Keep inserting in every stitch until yarn is inserted in all stitches, and then we will pull like this and connect it into this beautiful top. The end will go inside like this. Now let's add some stuffing inside the pumpkin. Depending how big and fluffy or hard you want it to be, you need more or less. Now we will connect the bottom the same way. The yarn goes inside the stitch to the left from inside out. Every stitch. Pull, and we connected the bottom. Insert the end inside the pumpkin. This is the bottom, this is the top. Look how cute it is. And now I will show you how to make a stem. Make a stitch like this, the same way we started. Make second stitch, and now knit one stitch and then knit the first stitch, and then knit the second, knit the first, and keep knitting this way for 5 or 6 rows, depending how big stem you would like to make. So here we are. So we have 2 stitches left. Take this yarn and pull it through the stitches, 2 stitches, make 1, and then tail goes inside that 1 stitch. Pull, and now we will create a stem that is a little bit tilted. So you insert the tail inside the stem a few times, and then gently pull it to create this tilted shape of the, like that, see? Here. And then insert it inside and hide it. Like this. Here you go. Look at this beautiful stem. And now you can attach it to the top of the pumpkin. Insert it in the middle of the pumpkin, and then use that tail to connect it to the pumpkin with a simple knot on the side, like that. Here we are. Pull, and then insert it inside, like that. Look at this beautiful pumpkin. Isn't it cute? So it's all ready. You can create many pumpkins like that. Here we are.